Hi friends, in this video we discuss plus 1 mathematics chapter 5, that is complex numbers. Complex numbers എന്ന പേരിൽ അഞ്ചാം അധ്യായം plus 1 mathematics തുടരുകയാണ്. What is a complex number? We give the letter C for the set of complex numbers. As capital N represents the set of natural numbers, this capital C represents the set of complex numbers. Now, what is a complex number? Think of this equation: x square plus 1 equals 0. What is that x for which when 1 is added to square of it, the sum is 0. So far we could not find a solution for it, but there is a solution. It's an imaginary number. See, x square is equal to negative 1. Shifting the positive 1 to the right, we get x square equals negative 1. And x must be square root of negative 1. And square root of negative 1 is accepted to be I. That is, I square equals negative 1. Can be plus I or minus I. Negative I into negative I. That's equal to positive I square. I square is negative 1. Then I into I, there also it is negative 1. Now, with this result, that is square root of negative 1 is I, we make complex numbers. Then, instead of the xy plane, we can consider argand plane. Now, what is this argand plane? A plane in which the x-axis is taken to be for the real numbers and the y-axis for imaginary numbers, we get the argand plane. See, to the right we deploy positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. To the left, negative numbers, and along the vertical axis, which is for noting imaginary numbers I, 2i, 3i, 4i, 5i, etc. Now, as in the case of marking points in coordinate geometry, we can mark complex numbers, say 2 plus 3i. Let z equals 2 plus 3i be a complex number. Where is its position? Real part is 2 units and imaginary part 3 units. Therefore, this will be the position of the complex number 2 plus 3i. Similarly, suppose we have negative 3 plus 5i. We take 3 units to the left of 0 and move 5 units along the vertical axis and mark the point negative 3 plus 5i. This will be the position of the complex number negative 3 plus 5i. Therefore, all the points in the Argand plane will be representing complex numbers. A complex number Z, generally we take the letter Z for a single complex number, is of the form A plus IB. This A is real part and B is imaginary part. Therefore, any complex number will be of the form A plus IB, where A is the real part and B the imaginary part. B says how many eyes are there. A will be the real part along the horizontal axis and B will be along the vertical axis. Suppose the number Z is 0 minus 4i. That is its position, 0 minus 4. This will be the position. In that case, real part is 0 and imaginary part is negative 4. This letter I is to show that that portion is imaginary. Right, we shall discuss the operations on complex numbers.